Hey, what's up guys? This is Justin back again with another amazing money-making opportunity just for you. You know I love making money, but I also love sharing ways to make money with you. And I gotta say, I found an amazing new way to make money just by watching YouTube videos. And good money too. How does $500 per day sound? Okay, so I can't hear your answer, but I'm pretty sure everyone, except maybe the Queen of England, would be excited about $500 per day just for watching videos. Am I right? But before we dive into the video, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button now, and also hit the little bell icon to turn on notifications. I put out new videos every time I discover one of these new money-making strategies, and you want to make sure you're front of the line when my new video drops. And while you're down there, why not show your support by hitting the like button too? I really appreciate it. Now, let's make some money. We are going to be using a brand new free website that pays you good money just for watching YouTube videos. And to make it even more convenient, they even have an app. So you can do this from your smart device, on a train, at work, in bed, literally anywhere you want. Just watch the videos, earn some money, and then withdraw your fortune with PayPal, bank transfer, or lots of other different methods of payment. Now, this one really spoke to me because, I don't know about you, but I'm watching videos pretty much all day anyway. So when I discovered this method after hours and hours of research, it felt like all the effort was worth it, and I just had to share it with you too. No longer do we have to feel like we're wasting our time watching videos all day, because it can actually be our job. Crazy, right? Now, I know I said one website, but just for those of you who are actually watching the video, here's a surprise. I actually got 3 all-new websites that we're going to use today for this method. The first one we're going to use is not just a website, it's also an app. So right away, I'm in love. It's called Zeraglammy, and now I'm on my computer, so I'm at the site, Zeraglammy.com. However, you can also find it on the Google Play Store as well under the same name. And this site/app is not just for videos. They'll pay you to do all kinds of things that you probably do every day anyway. This is absolutely free to sign up and start earning, so there's no investment required. And you can do it on your computer, tablet, phone, anything with an internet connection really. From here, we can see a bit more about this site, but we're gonna jump right ahead to getting our account up and running so we can start earning. On the app or the webpage, just find the register button and click that. I love how easy it is to sign up here, because you can either do it automatically with Google or Microsoft, or if you're old school, you can enter your info manually. So once we're all signed up, it'll show us our dashboard, and here you're able to see your earnings and keep track of how much you've been making over the past few days or even the month, plus the total balance that you currently have. Now, since we just signed up, you won't have any earnings there yet, so let's fix that, shall we? Over on the left side, click where it says Earn. This will take us to a page where we select how we want to earn the money. You can see the options for browsing websites, leaving engagement on social media, watching videos, watching ads. These are all great ways to earn because it doesn't take much effort. For videos and ads, you can just click on them and start earning money while the video plays. You can even do other stuff while the video's playing. Another cool thing for people who love social media is you can get paid for social media engagement, like following people, liking photos or videos, leaving comments, stuff that we do on social anyway. There's also the usual stuff, surveys you can fill out, but I don't love these because they take up way more time and effort than just clicking on a video. But browsing websites, watching videos and ads, and social media engagement is all really fun and quick. So let's start with trying social media engagement. Just click on the Earn button below and it'll take us to a new page where we choose which platform we want to get paid to use. So we're going to do YouTube together because that's what this video is all about, right? We'll click on YouTube Views, which will take us to another page with a bunch of videos that we'll get paid to watch. And these aren't your boring videos either. There's some really good content here. Just select any of these videos and it'll take you to the watch page. Now here's an extra special tip. It's basically passive income because you don't actually need to watch the video, it's just for view count. So you can minimize it or even walk away and do something else while it plays and you make money. You can even open multiple tabs to watch many videos at once and earn from all of them at the same time. Now, they don't pay a lot of money per video, but if you watch a lot of them or pretend you're watching them, it adds up really fast. Just go through all the videos and get paid over and over again and then withdraw your money, just for watching videos. You can also monitor your dashboard in real time to see how much money you're earning, and you'll see how fast this adds up. Now, one thing to take note of is that the amount paid will be different depending on your location. Top tier countries earn a little bit more and lower tier countries earn a little bit less, but it's still money for almost no work. So I think it's a great opportunity no matter where you are. Just watch as many as you can, then withdraw your money and enjoy all that sweet passive income. And to make even more money, you can also do other social media engagement while the videos are playing. Comment on Instagram posts, YouTube videos, leave likes, subscribe to channels, and this all pays well too. And this is all on one free site, and this is all there is to it. Isn't it amazing how simple this method is? Now you see why I'm so excited. Again, the site and app is called Zeraglammy.com, or just Zeraglammy on the App Store. This is a brand new site and they have a limit on how many people they need, so I suggest you get on this right now before everyone else does too. And as if that one wasn't good enough, I got not one, but two more for you. The second site I found is Timebucks Com. This site also pays you to just watch videos, but they also have some other really cool ways to make money. You can earn from posting on TikTok, watching slideshows, downloading apps, playing games. You can actually have a lot of fun on this site. But what I really love is that they have login rewards. Yeah, you don't even need to do anything other than log in to get daily bonuses. You can also start earning instantly, so you don't have to invest a bunch of time before you get paid. And like the first site, this one's also 100% free to register for. Timebucks also has a speedy registration process if you want to use your Facebook account, which saves a lot of time since we got 3 sites to register for today. But for you old school folks, they also allow you to register manually with your email and by creating a password, so that's great for everyone. Once we're registered and logged in, you can see that this site is also for everyone, no matter where you are in the world. People are making money from all over the world every minute on here. This site is super simple too, and a bit similar to the last one. Now that we're in our account, just hit the Earn section over here and select the way you want to make money. You can see they also have surveys and tasks, but our favorite is always watching videos. You can find the videos under Offer Walls or Tasks section. Again, this site is Timebucks.com, another simple and free site to use to make money just from watching videos. And now for the final site we're gonna use for this new method, Quickrewards.net. This one's not as unique as the first two, but it is steady and reliable and also pays for a number of tasks. If you're a gamer, you can play games and earn a few bucks. The surveys take a lot more time and they aren't ideal, but they are a good option if you enjoy that type of activity. And of course, what we came for, watching videos. Now I mentioned this site is steady and reliable, and I say that because they've been around for nearly 20 years, so they're not going anywhere anytime soon. I also love that the minimum withdrawal on this site is just 1 cent, so it doesn't matter how much or how little you've earned, you can get your money right away. And the withdrawal options are pretty cool too. Of course, they have PayPal if you just want cash, but they also have Amazon gift cards or other gift cards for almost 50 major retailers. You know that I love PayPal, but maybe if you want to get some Christmas or holiday shopping done, the gift cards are a better option for you. And it's always nice to have options, right? Signing up here is easy too. Just head to their site, Quickrewards.net, click Create an Account, and sign up for free. Start watching videos, earn cash or gift cards, and withdraw it as fast as you need to. And that's it for today, guys. Aren't those some awesome sites? Again, the sites we went over are Zeraglammy.com, Timebucks.com, and Quickrewards.net. Why not try out all 3 of them to maximize your earnings? That's what I do. And that's it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. Be sure to like this video if you appreciate all my hard work finding these sites for you. And if you love money, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new money-making methods. Happy earning, and I'll see you again soon.